Bata pa lang ako, mataas na yung pangarap ko. I have big goals in life. When I graduated nursing, kahit papaano mahirap pala maghanap ng trabaho. I tried to apply work sa Pilipinas and even abroad. Wala talagang mahanap na work. It's because of the recession during that time.
Downturn means there are fewer jobs, and before, today, more than 200,000 Philippine nurses are unemployed.
So doon ko na-realize na kahit gaano ka kagaling, kahit gaano ka katalino, kahit college graduate ka, kung walang right opportunity, then definitely yung pagyaman, mahirap talaga makuha. Hi, I'm Lian, 27 years old from Baguio City.
Entrepreneurs, remember, ang dami natin. But today is our first day!
Napasok ako sa N-World, nakita ko yung business. Talagang bumilib ako at nag-decide ako na gawin ng N-World at gawin tong business na to. It's because of the person behind the business.
Nag-start kami sa business na to nung walang-wala pa siya. Wala pa siyang pangalan, wala pa siyang produkto. Talagang vision pa lang nila Press. Talagang naniwala na kami sa company na to.
This is the right company. We have the right system.
Si Press kasi ibang klase eh. Sabi ko nga, lagi ko sinasabi, he's like once in a decade or once in a century kind of person. Others are not so lucky enough to meet someone as great as him in a lifetime.
True enough, sabi nga po ni Press, pag isang tao walang ginawang masama, imposibleng hindi kay bless.
We are very happy and we are blessed na kahit paano even during the early stages pa lang ng company, we have already made the best decision that we can ever make in our life, which is to do N-World.
Ang N-World nandito na.
Yeah.
Ibig sabihin, lahat ng hirap nyo, lahat ng sakripisyo nyo, lahat ng pagod nyo, babayaran niya ng N-World.
Basically, nung nagsimula ako sa N-World, the number one thing na kailangan mong gawin para maging successful ka dito is pag-aralan yung negosyo. Sabi nga nila, the more you learn, the more you earn. So basically, I have focused almost 80% of my time when I was starting in this business na pag-aralan yung produkto, pag-aralan yung sistema, pag-aralan yung kumpanya para madali siyang i-share sa mga tao. Alam mo, usually sa sales, sa pagbebenta, it is supposed to be very challenging. But because of the very high quality products, nagiging madali yung pagbebenta eh. I-demo mo lang yung products eh, apply mo lang yung produkto. Instantly, sigurado ako magugustuhan nila kagad yung N-World. So ako, when I started, of course, may mga struggle din, may mga challenges din because we joined the company in its earlier stages. So hindi pa talaga, alam mo yun, patag yung sistema kasi inabutan namin yung kumpanya habang nagsisimula siya.
And of course, hindi siya naging madali, pero lahat naging worth it talaga. Lagi nga nilang sinasabi, nobody told you it's gonna be easy, but it's going to be worth it. So lahat talaga worth it.
Pero yung naging reason behind our success is because dalawa kami mag-asawa, ginagawa namin yung business. The best thing that ever happened to us while doing N-World was we were together. So we understand each other's strength, we understand each other's limitations, and from there, we learn to adjust. And kahit pa paano yun yung naging strength namin in building a very successful business kasama ang N-World.
But this time, when you're already with N-World at kasama mo na po kami dito sa N-World, galingan mo lang, trabahuhin mo lang, at sigurado ko, isa ka sa mga unang-unang maa-awardan dito sa company po natin.
Yes!
Yung mission ni Press at saka yung vision niya sa company na to is to change the perspective of people when it comes to this business. And the best way to change people's perspective about our business is by paying the right taxes. Every month, ang minimum na taxes na binabayaran namin is nasa almost 300 to 400,000 every month. Taxes pa lang namin yun. Dahil sa N-World, tinuruan niya kami kung paano yung tamang way ng pagninegosyo. And with that, I'm very sure tataas ang tingin ng tao pagdating sa negosyo. Dahil once upon a time, merong isang Filipino company ng network marketing na nag-umpisa na magbayad ng tamang tax. At soon, sana, pinapangarap natin, merong isang distributor ng N-World ang papasok sa top taxpayer ng bansa natin.
It is not about how much they earn there, but this is about doing what is right.
Less than 1 year na we've been doing this business, we are very happy and blessed na nakapaglabas din kami ng mga resulta namin through N-World.
We are so grateful and blessed dahil merong N-World. Dahil because of N-World, kahit papaano nakapag-acquire kami ng at least 2 brand new na sasakyan because of the business. We just bought a brand new top of the line Ford Everest Titanium 4x4 Premium at Chevrolet Suburban top of the line. Napakasarap talaga mag-N-World dahil sa negosyo na to, lahat ng mga pangarap natin pwede talaga nating makuha. One of the life goals, couple goals naming mag-asawa is yung bago siya manganak is kahit papaano magkaroon kami ng sariling bahay na symbol ng success mo, na nagtagumpay ka. At every time titignan mo yung bahay na yan, siguro isa lang masasabi ko, buti na lang talaga tiniis namin, na-endure namin yung struggles. That's why nakuha namin yung ganitong klaseng resulta. And hindi lang yung kotse, hindi lang yung bahay, but our favorite thing to do is to travel. So mahilig kami magbiyahe. Nakapag-travel din kami for our late honeymoon. We went to Europe. Napakagandang experience kasi magkasama kami mag-asawa. We get to know the culture, the people, the food, no? And nakapag-bonding kami.
And syempre, as an advance birthday gift and Father's Day gift, ginifan namin ng daddy namin ng brand new Ford Ranger. Masasalamat namin to sa kanya, sa lahat ng ginawa niya para sa amin.
This will never be possible kung hindi namin talaga ginagawa yung N-World eh.
So kumbaga, itong mga bagay na to, material things, pero marami kasi itong mabuting na idulot sa business namin.
Lagi ko sinasabi, buti na lang talaga, buti na lang hindi kami sumuko, buti na lang hindi kami nag-give up.
Kaya para sa mga katulad namin na entrepreneurs, na kung nagsisimula ka pa lang, lakasan mo lang yung loob mo, trabahuin mo siya at pag-aralan mo siya.
You just have to go on. Kailangan mo lang magtuloy-tuloy. Always think of your loved ones. Always think of your family. Then definitely, sigurado ako, hindi ka susuko.
Don't let anybody tell you that you can't. Kasi lahat ng pangarap mo, matutupad mo yan through N-World.
Kahit papano, at our very young age, pwede ko nang sabihin na we have become really very successful because of this business. Buong puso namin pasasalamatan. Again, si Press, maraming salamat. Ma'am Jo, maraming salamat. N-World, maraming salamat.